It's that time of the year again, goal setting season. But don't forget one of the most important areas of your life, your home. Your home is more than just four walls and furniture. It's the space where you unwind, find peace, and feel your best. But if you're not stepping into your home and feeling pride, excitement, or calm, it's time for a change. This year, we're just not setting career goals. We're setting home goals. Whether it's a full room makeover, decluttering your closets, freshening up your decor, or tackling a long overdue paint job, it's time to take action. Let's start by asking yourself, what is one area of your home that can use a little or a lot of work? Is it the kitchen that you've been avoiding, or a yard project you've been dreaming, or maybe just decluttering that catch-all closet? The first step in turning your home into your dream space is to create a clear vision. Grab a piece of paper, open your notes app, or download my home goals guide linked below, and write down how you want your space to look, feel, sound, and even smell like. For example, is it cozy and serene with candles and soft textures, or bold and vibrant with pops of color? Having this clarity is going to guide every decision you make. Now let's address some common roadblocks or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. First one, time. I don't have the time to make these changes, you might think. Start small. Dedicate 15 minutes every day to declutter or rearrange a room. You'll be amazed at how quickly this adds up. Second roadblock, money. I don't have the budget to transform my home. Well, guess what? You don't need a huge budget. There's thrifting, DIYs, garage sales, and shopping at stores like Home Goods, Marshalls, or even finding free items online can make a huge difference. But if you prefer high-end products, then you can go to Pottery Barn, West Elm, and other stores, and they might have your perfect piece. Roadblock number 3, perfectionism. I don't know where to start. Start anywhere. Your Pinterest board isn't going to create itself. Now let's talk about effort and timeline. Transforming your home doesn't have to be overnight. You can start with one project per month. Let's say maybe January, you can start with decluttering. February is a new coat of paint. And March is rearranging the furniture. So each month you can set a goal. Now, what's in it for you? A space you love coming home to that feels like you. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a space where you're productive, rested, and inspired. And it's also about feeling empowered and accomplished that you did that. It is also time to get rid of the shame or not wanting to invite people over because you don't like how your home looks. This year, we're bringing those Pinterest ideas to life. And here's your roadmap. 1. Set your vision. Use the free guide link below and define your style, mood, and goals. Step number 2, you're going to prioritize your projects. Break down your home goals into manageable steps. Start with what matters most, whether it's a functional improvement or just a space that makes you smile. And by functional improvement, I mean changing something to make your life easier, like creating a routine or a procedure or something that makes your life easier. For example, my goal is to tackle my pantry because I am so tired of overbuying things or things expire because I don't have like a routine to keep track of what I have, and everything is all over the place. It's not organized. So that would be one of my priorities because I'm looking for making my life easier, making cooking easier, and shopping easier too. Step number 3, source wisely. You can mix high and low quality products or high and low budget. For that, you will have to check out local thrift stores, garage sales, or Facebook Marketplace deals. And don't forget to shop your own home. Sometimes rearranging or repurposing things is all you need. And step 4, DIY when you can. A simple coat of paint or a creative project can go a long way. Plus, it adds a personal touch. This is the year where you stop doom scrolling on Pinterest and saving all the pins, and you're actually going to bring your Pinterest board to life. Remember, turning your house into a home isn't about the budget. It's about intention and effort. Download my free home goals guide down below to get started today. And let me know in the comments what's one area of your home that you're going to tackle first. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.